You can see the ocean from here. Look above the fort. Oh, you smell the salt? Smells good.
Hi, pretty birds.
It's A. Is that D? It's A. It's A. It's A. It's A. That Fort Caswell history book that I bought is really coming in handy.
What river did the fort guard?
Cape Fear. $19.49.
Today's competition is called Get Your Gilly On, and this is what's going to happen. They're each going to have the chance to come up here and put on the gillies to as fast as they possibly can. The contestant with the quickest time will be our winner. Here he goes. Let's cheer him on, folks. Okay, part one is on. Y'all think she can do it? Stop. Take that. You can stop the clock on that one. Macy, thank you for the effort, but you're also disqualified. I said, JC, we are going to need the gillies to pants back.
Without Jesus, you will always feel like something is missing. Because he's supposed to be the one that fills every part of ourselves that's broken because of sin.
And Jesus really gave me that direction in life. And he fixed the battle part of it for himself.
Brock, I struggle with this battle all the time. When God created the world, he created it perfect. He created mankind perfect. But when sin entered the world through man's disobedience, it broke our perfect union with God. We were missing that relationship. But God didn't want us to be separated from him. So he made a way for us to be with him by sending his son to die on the cross.
Wait, why did Jesus have to die? Could he just say, okay, everything's all right now?
God is a holy God. Because God's holy, he is just, and he's wrathful. Someone had to take on the punishment of sin because God is just. So Jesus took our punishment. He lived a perfect life, he died, and he rose again on the third day, claiming victory over sin.
So then why do I still struggle with it so much?
You were created to be in a relationship with Jesus. So when you're not, you're going to feel like something's wrong. The first step would be believing in God and then following him. Doing that allows us to surrender things to him as we enter into a relationship with him.
Yeah, but it's only one time use. Only one time use.
We're doing more karaoke. I take that as a yes. And here we go with Taylor Swift again. It really doesn't surprise me that they're doing this song. H-E-A-R-T and L-I-V-E-E-T-E-R-N-A-R-Y.
We're talking about hurts, habits, and hang-ups, but I think Bonnie will attest to, she wouldn't have brought you over here if what she heard yesterday would be in any way insulting. We were here.
That shoe went flying. Oh. Oh, that was close. I've been recording the whole game, so far everything's been caught. Whoa! Oh, are you okay?
Get down, Blondie! Get down! Get down, Blondie! Get down!
Oh, it's because of the food. Oh my gosh! Look at them all! Oh my gosh! Look at them all! Whoa! This is honestly kind of cool. No, don't be mean. Look! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! We're gonna get pooped on! There's food, guys! There's food! Look at them all on the roof! They all left, but there's still that one way up there waiting for us to leave so it can come take the food.
I'm gonna join you on this one, okay?
Y'all got a hug. We can get off.
Bring some of that egg out.
It is still up there. Oh, they're back for the food. Joey's about to scare him. Yep. And there we are again. Whoa. It's another bird. No. Joey scared them all away. Here we go again. Here they come.
Before worship, y'all can stand and sing with us.
When I was broken, you were my healing. Now your love is the air that I'm breathing. I have a future, my eyes are open. 'Cause when you call my name, I ran out of that grave. Yes, I did. Love the darkness into your glorious day. You who would care that much about me. Let me tell you about my Jesus. He makes a way when there ain't no way. Rises up from an empty grave. Ain't no sinner that he can't save. Let me tell you about my Jesus. His love is strong and his grace is free. And the good news is I know that he can do for you what he's done for me. Let me tell you about my Jesus. Let my Jesus change your life. Hallelujah. To be out here in your creation, Lord, worshiping and praising and hearing from you, Lord. Pray over tonight, Lord. Pray over hearts and minds as they are open to hear and receive what you have, Lord.
As you're sitting down, look at somebody, give them a high five and say, isn't God good? Go ahead.
I'm a little too far away from everybody. Like my own little space.
All of our little differences, all of our...
There is power in your name. There's so much power in your name. Move the unmovable, break the unbreakable. Lord, we believe. Lord, we believe for it. From the impossible, we'll see a miracle. God, we believe. God, we believe for it. You are the way when there seems to be no way. We trust in you, God, you have the final say. Move the unmovable, break the unbreakable. God, we believe. God, we believe for it. From the impossible, we'll see a miracle. God, we believe. Oh, yes, we do. God, we believe for what you said. So I believe it that you said. So it is done. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, and I will sing of your goodness. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. With my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me.
Hi. Hi. It's gorgeous. He's rocking the whole thing. Oh my gosh, she's literally gonna kill you. Please don't make her throw up.
Come on, I'm gonna help you.
Go over there. No, go over there.
Gosh, you remind me of somebody.
Who?
Miguel.
Miguel?
Yes.
This is not feel secure. I feel like I'm about to fall.
They probably saw the bus pull up and be like, oh, it's these people again. I'm about to try this lavender honey. I wanted to try this for a while. Cookie dough? Oh my gosh, that's actually so good. But I know they have a hard time cleaning the machine after they make it. Because it's got all these little bits in it. No!
You don't get him down.
It's like the donkey missed something.
He kept taking his left hand, reaching it around.
Great.
Levi, you lost.
Hey, you didn't have a hard time getting down.
Why do I gotta be so short?
Great.
Oh god. Just lay here for a minute. Tired.
I'm gonna get out of the way before I get hit in the face.
Okay, be careful with Paxton.
That's why I moved, because I don't want to get hit.
I kind of worry.
Oh! Paxton, you might want to move. Levi, you kind of got yourself cornered right now.
How you doing, Joe?
You were missing a good fight.
They're fighting.
Yeah, they were like, they were.
Oh, Joey's fighting.
He went running.
You might want to.
What's the belts up?
You call a bear with no teeth.
A gummy bear.
One's brown and sticky.
A stick.